Good morning everyone, how are you doing? So in the last video, a lot of you were guessing what location I'm currently in. It's surprising how many people actually got it right, it's a bit mad. You all could tell from this fencing, this I think as well, and then the size of the barbecue, which is very true. So yeah, well done everyone that got it right. We are just outside of Perth in Western Australia. It's amazing here. Very different from back home obviously, very hot, and I love it here. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to bring you along the day. We're going to head down to Moore River, see what that's like, go and enjoy it, and then later on London opens only at 4 PM. So I'm going to see what develops throughout Asia into London, see if any trading opportunities present. If they do, perfect. If not, we enjoy the rest of the day. So that is the plan. Just got a haircut yesterday. It's decent, not as good as back home, but we can live with it. So that's that. But yeah, bring you along with the entire day. Look at this. I'm not seeing any spiders yet, but seeing this, whatever this is.
What is that?
Beautiful. Ready? Bit hot. What's Lucky Bay like though? Good.
Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah.
With the kangaroos and that?
Yeah, it's very nice. But I mean, even Lucky Bay's not such a thing. It's just the whole area down there when you start going further.
Big wave, big wave! Oh my days! Right, so first day trip out in like a week. I think the last time you guys seen the day trip, I think it was Moore River. It was like a week ago. Pretty much been ill since then, so Australia has chewed me up and spit me back out again.
Mickey Sicky.
Yeah, Mickey Sicky. Just been coughing for about a week straight. But back on the horse, we are going to, is it called Piron Point? Point Piron.
Point Piron, I think.
Point Piron. So we're gonna go and check that out. Sometimes you do get dolphins around this area as well, so gonna go and see. Got our snorkeling gear, got everything, so we are sorted.
We're on the main stretch.
Yeah, we are on the main stretch now, getting better. That's what all accounts. Market wise, nice couple trades last couple of days, getting the year off to a good start, which is nice. Building momentum, having a bit of a buffer, which is good. So no complaints. CPI as well yesterday. Now it's just about enjoying the Friday, innit?
Yes, sir.
So let's go and enjoy.
Break down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder.
Right, so in the car I was talking about some of the trades that I've taken coming into the new year, so I want to show you one of them, which was a euro-dollar short. So let's go through it. So 4-hour chart, what I was basically looking at is overall the trend is bullish. We can see this from price making high highs, high lows. Price comes down here quite aggressively, but notice how it sweeps this low. Doesn't provide any intention for lower prices, sweeps it and then pushes higher. And this was NFP. So if we go on the 1 hour, this was NFP, this entire candle, right? And even all of last week, we have not yet taken out the high or the low of this candle yet, which is really interesting. So overall, we're still stuck within the sideways range. But I understood that we were in a range last week, and I was basically just playing the shorter term sells at the edge of the range. So price came down, swept this sell side, pushed higher, delivered a little bit of intent, and then broke this high. We're in the extreme end of the move of the price leg, and I'm talking about this. So if we talk about this price leg from this low to this high, we're in the extreme end of the move, right? So looking for potential sells, very aware that it's short term. I was mainly looking for buys really from here. So this was a counter trend trade just to kind of, you know, it was high quality, pay yourself, get profit on the board, and then look for buys from here. And there was a really nice buy from here as well. So overall, we had sweep of Asia. We had that Asia range, which was nice. Beautiful manipulation. Sell off to the downside. And then coming into London Open, we had this beautiful break. Nice clear pullback. I executed the short. Safe stop above as well. I'm not being greedy on stops. I'm not trying to, you know, have a 3, 4, 5 pip stop. I want a safe stop, protect myself, and then price push to the downside. But as it was pushing to the downside, what I was doing is trailing my stop. The reason being is because it's early in the year. Talked about this quite a lot late last year as well. At the start of a new period, whether it be a month, quarter, or a year, you want to be really focused on paying yourself, building a buffer, getting profit on the board. So while you do that, you want to be smart in the way you do things. So I was trailing my stop, happy to pay myself. As price was moving lower, I wasn't choking the trade, but I was kind of like just allowing price to do its thing. If it did pull back, cool, I paid myself. If not, then obviously bigger target. So overall happy with it. It was a just under a 1.3% trade. Bit more of a smaller RR win, but overall that is a very good start to the year. Plus I had a nice win on dollar Swiss, and then yeah, great start to the year so far really. So that was a trade, and I'm sure there's gonna be plenty more once we come out of this range that we're in on the 1 hour on euro dollar. And of course euro dollar is not the only trade. They paid that trade, so you know, once we smash out this range, either the highs or the lows, this would be beautiful. Same with dollar Swiss. If we provide some opportunities coming into next week, that'd be nice. And same with pound yen as well. So overall, let's see what happens next week.